Well, hello everybody. Welcome to week 5, the final week for the juvenile justice class. This is, I told you this semester would be fast. It's over before you know it. So let's go ahead and get out of the way and we'll talk about what we've got going on. We've got 3 different chapters we're going to be looking at this week. Chapter 15, 16, and 17. 15 is on juvenile court process. 16 is juvenile corrections, probation, and community treatment. And then finally, chapter 17 is on delinquency and juvenile justice abroad. So actually 3 pretty interesting chapters for you to look at. Remember to watch the video, read the chapter in the book, and take that quiz. Make sure you make at least a 70, but I'll make a quick point, make 100 if at all possible. Of the students in here, and there are only 4 of you, we've got 2 of them that are right on the cusp between a B and a C and one between an A and a B. So, if you want to make sure that you've got that a better chance of getting the higher of those 2 grades, go back to all your quizzes that you don't have a 100 on and retake them until you make a 100. That will do 2 things. One, it will increase your chances of making the higher grade for the semester. And 2, it will help you study for the final exam, because the final exam is the only other, the third thing we've got this week besides the follow-ups and all the discussions that need to be completed. You will have a lot of the quizzes questions. I think it's actually a lot. 30 quiz questions from the first 14 chapters in the Texas juvenile laws will be on the exam verbatim. So, if you go back and look at them, that will help you on the final. Now, in addition to the videos and the quizzes, make sure you do your discussion. Try to complete your follow-up discussion if at all possible. I will say that I will give you leeway on the last 3 discussion boards if there are not enough other students who have completed it when you're at the point where you complete yours. Now, if I look and I'll see what date you submitted yours, if everybody else has already submitted theirs, then I'll expect you to do the follow-up post with that. Again, you do have to do the follow-up post to the video discussion. It should be, make sure there's a link there. There it is. Everybody has already got 3 questions. There were some very good questions, so answer the questions that were brought of you, and then everybody will make 100 on the video discussion because everybody's already at that 75% point. Well, I hope you enjoyed the semester. If you haven't completed your course evaluation, please do so. They are open now. There should be you should have gotten an email about it. They had some issues. They said they cleared them up and sent out an email to everybody, so please complete those. If y'all be back in the fall, I'll look forward to seeing you. Registration is still going on. Please go ahead and get registered now. Excuse me, we've only got a couple more weeks before the deadline for registration. Y'all have a great, fall, I guess. I guess we're not going into summer, the end of the semester, and I will talk to you again later. Good luck on the final exam.